Whether you need a new day pack or are looking for a lighter way to charge on the go, we've got you covered. We're back with more awesome travel products to check out before your next trip. Let's kick things off with some recent releases from EVERGOODS and Peak Design. It's got everything we want in a bag. A comfortable harness system, great organization, and a sleek aesthetic. All in a small package. As with other bags from EVERGOODS, including its larger 26 and 35-liter CTB siblings, this day pack is built to last. The high tenacity nylon feels as durable as Cordura, but lighter, and water easily runs off if you get caught in a storm. So how does it pack? Numerous pockets, from a laptop compartment for up to a 16-inch device to a yoke pocket for quick access gear, offer storage solutions for work, travel, and everyday carry. 2 pockets on the front are a great place for smaller items. On top is a simple dump pocket that even fits a Nintendo Switch, and another front pocket opens on the side to give you access when you swing the pack around to your front. It includes a liner pocket for your phone or wallet, a smaller one for a pen or stylus, and a zippered mesh pocket for gear you want to lock in place. We're able to fit large bottles in the side pockets as long as the main compartment isn't stuffed, but standard bottles will fit well even when we've fully packed. Aside from a couple of pockets on the lid, the main compartment lacks a ton of organization. But we don't mind, since the open space allows you to bring whatever you want, from camera gear and work equipment to gym clothing or packing cubes. Even though it's the smallest civil travel bag, the padded and structured back panel is just as comfortable as the larger sizes. And while the mesh padding doesn't look like it would do much, it actually adds a ton of breathability. Add a sternum strap and a luggage pass-through, and you've got a bag that's as good for carrying through the city as the airport. There's a good chance you'll want to carry this sling through the airport too. Eric is currently testing it, so I don't have it in front of me, but we can just pretend. If you need to carry a little more than what fits in your pocket, check out the 4-liter Peak Design outdoor sling. It's a happy medium between the 2-liter and 7-liter models. Whichever size you get, the sling has a lightweight Terrashell ripstop recycled nylon exterior that's abrasion and water resistant. But while the larger model is designed for a camera kit and the smaller is just for the essentials, the 4-liter size is perfect when paired with a travel backpack or suitcase. The padded phone pocket can fit up to an iPhone 16 Pro Max or a Samsung S24 Plus when you insert it at an angle, and a magnetic closure keeps it in place. The outside pocket includes a key leash that stretches to reach door locks without you needing to bend at a weird angle, and the main compartment has water-resistant zippers to protect your gear in the rain. There are 3 pockets in the main compartment, 2 stretchy slip pockets and another topped with a zipper, so you have plenty of ways to lock down small gear like earbuds, a battery bank, and hand sanitizer. Thanks to the harness system, it's still comfortable when you load it with travel essentials, snacks, and anything else you need. The padded strap is covered with breathable mesh and adjustable with 3 buckles that hold the strap at the length you set. Getting the adjustment to feel just right takes a bit of work, but you only have to do that once. Once everything's correctly tightened, it's a good fit. Whether we're taking this gear to Porto or Puerto Rico, we need to stay connected when we land. It's easy to do with Saily, this video's sponsor. Their eSIM service makes it simple to live the digital nomad lifestyle. As we hop from place to place, we can connect as soon as we land instead of buying a local SIM card to get service in each new country. All I have to do is download the Saily app, install the eSIM, and select a data plan before leaving home. Everything is activated the moment you land, so we have no issues calling an Uber, letting family know we've arrived, or using the Maps app to find our destination. After countless trips in different countries, we find local service through an eSIM to be better and cheaper than buying international service through our phone plans. Saily is available in over 200 destinations and offers some of the best rates online, and it's easy to use. Saily is giving Packhacker viewers an exclusive 15% discount on data plans. Use code Packhacker at checkout when you go to saily.com/packhacker or download the Saily app. Now let's get back to the gear. You'll probably stash a battery bank in that sling if you're exploring a new place all day. Some options can get pretty heavy though, so we were happy when the maker of some of our favorite small chargers came up with something even lighter. NITECORE's NB Air is a 5,000 milliamp hour power bank that weighs just 3.14 ounces. Though it's only 2.15 ounces lighter than NITECORE's NB 10,000, the NB Air has a slightly better milliamp hour to weight ratio. Since they're pretty much on par, you'll just have to decide how much power you need to make it through the day. If you're a heavy tech user or your phone dies quickly, the NB Air might not be enough. However, it's great for travelers who want something just in case they have to top up. The single USB-C port has an 18-watt input and output. There's no quick charging, but we don't mind much. Its carbon fiber frame has rounded edges, making it more comfortable to slip into your pocket. It also sports an IPX7 rating, which means it can be submerged in up to 1 meter of water for half an hour. That doesn't mean you should use it in the pool. It just means it won't be ruined if you drop it in the lake and manage to fish it out before it sinks to the bottom. Things aren't so murky with the Gossamer Gear Clear Cube. That's because its clear sides allow you to see anything you need. It makes it great for quickly grabbing your tech, toiletries, or other travel essentials. You can easily pull it out of your bag by the top carry handle, and the X-shaped dividers help you organize your gear and keep it upright as you travel. Wipe the transparent material clean if you have have a spill, and the recycled Robic nylon on the base adds structure so the 3-liter pouch can stand on its own by the sink. However, despite Gossamer Gear's statement that the cube is TSA safe, keep in mind that it's technically too big for a 311 bag. That has a 1-liter limit, not 3. If you've already got a good toiletry pouch and you want to use it for everyday carry, the divided interior makes it great for wrangling tech. Use the compartments to organize wall chargers, a travel mouse, international adapters, and cords to keep them from tangling along the way. Since it's clear, you can see where your gear is from the outside without rummaging to the bottom. If your pouches aren't clear, the NITECORE TINI 3 will help you see inside. Attach it to your keychain and you'll always know where to find it. This small flashlight maxes out at 600 lumens to light up your hotel room or a dark alley, but it has 4 other modes for things like walking to the campground bathroom at night or reading while your roommate sleeps. There's also the option to use a warmer color temperature, which is easier on your eyes in a dark room. The TINI 3 has cool, neutral, and warm color settings, which are new for the V3 of the light. It also has a larger battery and a higher max output, so it will stay brighter longer than previous versions. It's also impact, dust, and water resistant in case you drop it or it gets splashed. It's easy to find the setting you need by repeatedly pressing the mode button. The OLED display tells you which lumen level you're at as you go, and whatever you have it set on when you turn it off is where it will start the next time you switch it on. However, you'll have to hold the button to get the brightest light and keep pressing for it to stay on. That's great because you don't want to accidentally leave it on a mode that will drain the battery in 20 minutes. You'll know just where to find your DOP kit when you leave it hanging in the bathroom. And you won't take up valuable counter space or sacrifice capacity for something small. That's why we're digging the Solgaard Trio hanging toiletry kit. It keeps everything neat and organized and includes a detachable 311 bag for security. There's also a slim external pocket where you can stow lip balm, sanitizing wipes, and other gear you want to grab while en route to your destination. It's rather large when you open it up with 3 separate compartments. That's what earned it the name Trio. The top one features the hook along with 2 zippered compartments. You can't fully pack either or you won't be able to fill the other, but it's easy to divide your gear between the 2. The frontmost pocket looks like it's lined with mesh, yet it has a spill-proof coating to keep everything inside. The large zippered pocket in the second section is made with the same material and includes 2 elastic slip pockets inside to keep things a little more organized. Snapped below that is the 311 bag, which includes a handle for easy carrying when you take it out of the kit. It's made with the same spill-proof coated mesh and has plenty of space for the liquid toiletries we need on any trip. There's also an elastic loop between the 2 clamshell compartments for tweezers, an eyebrow pencil, or something else similarly sized. In all, we find it a great option for travelers who like to balance capacity and organization, though it's a bit overkill for minimalists. On the other hand, if you're looking for a minimalist clutch, we've got you covered. The Bellroy Folio wallet is much more than a way to carry cash and cards. Yet it's smaller than most other bags. It has a passport slot on the outside so you can be ready to present your ID at customs and immigration. Then, when you open the main compartment, you'll see a large magnetically sealed pocket on one side for your AirPods and keys, along with a slot for 1 credit card or a card-shaped tracker. The opposite side has 4 slots for your remaining cards, a slip pocket for cash, and a coin shelf, though it lacks the closure on top. Basically, it's an ultra minimalist sling without the strap, or a clutch, potato potato. The entire wallet zips closed, like Bellroy's card pocket, so you won't lose anything along the way. Like that minimalist wallet, the Folio is also made with leather for durability and a great hand feel. It's too large for most pants pockets, but you can slide it into your travel backpack after you get through security, or attach a wrist strap to the metal loop at the end of the zipper track if you don't want to hold it. There isn't one included, but it'll work if you have one from another bag or purse that you're not using. We mostly like doing that if we'll be carrying it all day at a music festival or a sporting event. It matches the allowable dimensions of most arenas, so be sure to pack it the next time you're traveling to see your favorite artist on tour. But if you prefer to keep things under wraps, you might prefer something slimmer. The TROVE cash wrap has space for 10 cards, cash, and coins. Yet it's more minimal than the Folio. When you open it up, it's divided into 3 sections. You slide cards into the end, and there's a pull tab inside to help you reach your most used cards without unfolding the wallet. Bills slot into a leather sleeve adjacent to the elastic wrap that holds your favorite cards, where they stay in place even as you open the wallet. There's space in front of the bills under the elastic for more cards, and you can even pull the elastic off entirely to just carry them without cash. Behind the bills is a spot to hold coins. Even though there's no topper on that pocket, the cash keeps it from falling out when the wallet is closed. Fold it into thirds to keep everything under wraps, and an elastic strap holds it all together. It's not much larger than other minimalist wallets, and we find it great for traveling to another country. That's because it's sized to fit British 50-pound notes. They're larger than most international currencies, so it should hold whatever you need. That's the great gear we found this time. Let us know in the comments below which one's your favorite, and we'll see you in the next one.